going on, adventurers? We are here at Bryce Canyon National Park. I am so excited to be here. Just the drive in here alone was just amazing. Words can't even describe it. There's snow on the ground. We're gonna go on our first little hike here at Bristlecone Loop Trail. It's a quick little loop around trail, and then we're gonna come back up. We're gonna drive back north, and we're gonna hit all the viewpoints along the way back north, so that way we can see all of Bryce Canyon and what it has to offer. When we finally reach the end of, the most northern point, kind of where you come in at, we're gonna stop and do another hike there at Navajo Loop Trail, and hopefully finish the day there at sunrise point. What's going on, adventurers? We are here at the top of Inspiration Point, and it is, look for yourself. It is just phenomenal. Breathtaking views. This is just the most beautiful thing that I have ever laid witness to. Just the drive alone through Bryce Canyon National Park is awe-inspiring. You got the mountains on each side, and then when you come up to the different viewpoints, you just have these immaculate views of the canyon, and it is the best thing I've ever seen. I'm speechless. Like, it's just, words cannot describe. That right there is Thor's hammer. Isn't it just, it's just gorgeous. Yeah. Yeah, I got stuff. Welcome to Adventures of the Seamans. And we traveled 4 hours to drive here to Bryce Canyon, and just every bit of worth it. Oh my God. All right, guys, stay tuned. We have lots more adventure with Utah. If you haven't already, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have lots more stuff when I come back to Florida. I'm excited to share it all with you guys, so stay tuned.